So the last lighthouse we were going to go to was in Hyannis, but it's now surrounded by private houses. So the only way you can see it is by boat. So we've come to a little bit of a beach here, and we're going to go walk over there to where the JFK Memorial is. It's a 50-cent coin that's about 8 foot round. So it's a nice little memorial to him because he's from the Cape. So a lot of history here. So we're going to go check it out before we head to Boston and fly back out.
Okay.
So around the fountain is a quote from John F. Kennedy. It says, "I believe this country should set sail and not lie in the harbor." Pretty interesting, huh? Our country's setting sail and going out and doing great and wonderful things versus sitting in the harbor while other things are happening. Man of his time.